What's going on, everybody? Nate from Sherry Chrysler here. Today we're on the lot looking at a 2020 Ram 1500 Tradesman. White in color. It's got the base color on the bumpers and grill. That Honda sounds like it's going 1,000 miles an hour. You should probably look at that. But steel wheels. This is a work truck, guys. Set up to work. Kind of a bare bones look. The black, the steel wheels, basic mirrors. I like it. Inside we got power locks and windows, but something that you'll notice is there's not carpet in here. It's easy clean up rubber with the slush mats. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Windows, locks, mirrors. Said that kind of fast. Leather seats. Still easy clean up. Little center console. Now this one folds up. It's actually a pretty comfortable center seat, really, with a seat belt, not a lap bar. Lap belt. Little storage area here in the front. Glove box. Storage down here. Climate control. You got your Bluetooth radio. Gear shift. Push button start. Cruise control. Hands-free options and different buttons here for your gauge cluster. Lots of information up there in the gauge cluster while you're driving. Readily available. In the back, like I said, you still got the power windows. Folding bench seat. Ram boxes in the floor. Come in and check out these Ram boxes, guys. Removable storage. And yes, police know they're there. I ask them when they come in here. So don't be doing things illegal with that. The road pops in there, or your kids' wipes. That's what that storage area is for. Black bumper, again, work truck. This work truck does have a rear camera though, backup camera. No bed liner yet, but you can add one for a small upfit fee here with us at Sherry. It is prepped for towing, but no receiver. Stop in and check this thing out. If this looks like something that's going to get you through your week, if it looks like a good work truck, someone needs this truck. Again, I'm Nate. Be great and buy a Sherry. Thanks, guys.